Apparently, you couldn't sleep where we tried to sleep yesterday, so Kasper was woken up by park rangers.
In the middle of the night, like, with the flashlight, like, get the fuck out of here! And why do you have wetsuits on the roof? Have you been swimming? Are you insane? I was like, yeah, shut up.
That was not the nicest thing to wake up by in the middle of the night, but we moved our car and we moved the tent and we found some like parking lot or something where we could sleep instead. Right. We just had some nice breakfast, lunch, whatever, fueled up the car, so now we're all ready to go. I think the plan for today is waterfalls, check them out.
Let's get lost.
Let's get lost. We can't say that, we have GPS and all of that stuff.
4G everywhere.
Yeah, 4G everywhere. It's the best connection ever in this country. So we've been driving around for hours, like looking and asking local people where to go, and now we finally find this place. It's amazing, there's nobody else here and we have it all to ourselves. Let's go and explore. There was actually a lot of tourists here. We just framed them out. We're gonna go to another place because this was no fun here.
They even built a small spot for just selfies.
Yeah, that is so man-made.
But should we buy a t-shirt with the waterfall on it?
Yeah, I think we probably should.
Or at least get something.
Yeah, just to show the people we were here. We need to work on getting lost more, or like stay off the obvious path. This take all the fun away from the waterfall and the nature for me if it's just like tourists everywhere, parking meters, cafes. That's just boring. Now we're gonna try to find some place where there aren't a lot of tourists. Alright, there's a major change in plans for today. Turns out we ended up on like a very touristy road. So we're just gonna indulge that and have fun at the tourist places. I'll try to meet up with some locals and get some intel on where the best places to go are.
Best way to meet locals.
What's the best way to meet locals? Tinder.
Being drunk. Or both.
Or both. Yeah, being drunk on Tinder, that's the best way.
I saw like when
Since there's a change in plans, we're at a place where there's loads of tourists now. Should we hike up?
Yeah, we should do that, but should we check it out?
Yeah, we should check that out as well. Maybe do some flips.
Or you can just go and look at tourists.
Yeah. Tourist spotting. So I'm gonna do a gainer from the rocks here, so that Sebastian can get a nice photo.
Not a tourist in the way for the picture.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to climb up and get some nice videos of the birds up here. Is some cool looking birds. I'm gonna see if I can go for a closer look without scaring them away.
So we finally found a waterfall where we can go up to. No tourists.
Just mountains and horses.
I need a
and
shower.
us.
Oh, you gonna take a shower in the mountain fall?
Yeah, mountain fall?
What?
It's a road of shit. Wow, it smells. To go up, so we're gonna take a shower in waterfall.
I'm sweating.
A lot of force in the water.
Yeah?
Yeah, hit hard on the head.
Wanna go again?
Do you want me to go again?
Well, I can always get more footage.
Yeah, I guess I could always go for another shower. It hurts!
I mean, the second time was a bit harder.
Yeah, the second time was harder. I felt most in my feet because it was just cold to stand there.
Good shower.
Probably the coldest shower I ever taken, and the most thrust in the water, all uphill from here. The best stop of the day, but now let's spin to the next one. Over the hill instead of around it. Eco driving.
Yeah. Let's put up camp.
Yeah. Should we maybe end the video here?
The end.
Cut. Thank you all a lot for watching this video. We were overwhelmed by the amount of tourists. So I hope we actually made something interesting to watch, even though we just basically went around all day complaining about all the tourists on Iceland, and like we're tourists here as well, so. Bit ironic, but anyways, hope you enjoyed us being tourists among all other tourists. See you guys in the next video, and as usual, puss och kram.